2017 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.0 Coyote motor. Love these 5.0s. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. He's a friend of a friend. He brought it in. Was recommended to us by our other friend. And he wanted a little bit loud, not too much. Wanted to keep it single. So we cut all that off. That muffler and resonator. And put 3-inch pipe in its place all the way back into a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, 3-inch outlet, 3-inch inlet. It's a 71419 series, a Flow FX. If you guys want, there'll be a link in the description for it. There it is. And that's how you do it, boys and girls. And then continue the 3-inch pipe out the back into his 3.5-inch factory tip. There's a resonator and muffler we cut off, and intermediate pipe. Because that clamp always leaks, we always cut it out too. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Ford F-150 5.0 with a Flow FX. Woo! Wow! That sounds phenomenal. Sound decibels. 119. That is loud, man. I love it. 5.0 F-150. That's loud.
Yeah, it is.
I love it. Do you approve?
Do I approve?
Yes.
I don't know. Tell him do it again.
He will in a second. Wait. Once he stops it back here. Let's see if she approves. Again?
I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
There you go.
Welcome to Nashville.
Welcome to Nashville, man. Hope you guys like it too. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford F-150 5.0 liter with a Flow FX. Get on. Hopefully he'll get on it. We'll see. Beautiful truck.